Yeah, right. I'm doing over again. Let's see. I need more color is what it is. I'm really going to try to recreate that prawn. So, I don't know. Just give me a break. All right, so my white Payne's gray, red. I'm gonna throw, you know, I got another gold. You know what, I'm gonna throw copper in there. Bear with me. So, I don't like that blue. Purple, copper. Yeah, I know copper and silver, right? I'll try that gold, just what's left. You son of a biscuit. I just spilled a little bit of paint. That's what happens. And I don't know if I should do that. A little more purple. Another white. Okay. Right? It makes shaky hand. It makes it look like lightning. I don't know. Okay. Well, it's got color. I'm just trying to see if I can save that part. And I'll be able to match it. I got a lot of air bubbles today because I just made some of that paint. I was going to do a big canvas later. I don't know. Interesting. Let's see what I can do with her. All right, hold on. That might go pretty cool with that. Hold on. That's exactly why I have music when I paint, because I talk. And I say weird shit. Okay. Here we go. This is what I'm talking about. Something weird. Right? 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 Weird? Weird? Because that's what I am. If I could get that. Don't touch my lightning. All right, let's see. Tell me that's not different. Well, I still should have kept the bird, but I had a bird underneath, and then I poured a straight pour over it, and that was what I just poured over. And the only thing cool out of that straight pour was right there. So I think I'm leaving that. Right, hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. Yep. I'm like, which cup did I just use? This one? Trying to match that corner. Yep. I don't know. Nope. All right. Oh well. Just tilt it just a quick second. here we go. Something different. Now this is only Floetrol water. So funky. All right, let me get you guys down. I'll wait like 20 minutes and show you what it looks like. Because that is the ghost paint that I make. All right. I wonder what it looks like on your end because it's upside down. Okay. Ta-da! I know that light. That copper, that purple, and that gold came out pretty cool. All right, so. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes. Got some cool webbing, aka my lightning. I wish I could do this on a bigger canvas, but I don't think I'll be able to recreate it, but I'm going to try.